Captain HYDRA, a hero so grand. With strength and courage, he takes a stand, protecting the innocent with the wavering zeal. A guardian of peace for all to feel. Education flourishes, knowledge takes flight. A world of learning day through the night. Poverty banished, a thing of the past. Proves prosperity forever to last. Hail Hydra, a guiding light in the darkest hour, leading the way with wisdom and power. A beacon of hope, a symbol of light, building the future, shining so bright. Cities of wonder, rising from the crowd, powered by keen energy, a sight to astound. Disease eradicated, hunger no more. Hydra's abundance for rich and for poor. Captain HYDRA, a hero so grand, with strength